Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step process to create trending cinematic reels using CapCut right from your phone. So if you want to make your Instagram reels look cinematic and viral, you'll learn how to apply cinematic color grading and transition that give your reels the professional movie style vibe. So it's perfect for anyone who wants to stand out on social media. So first you can just add the clips that you want to edit, and here in between the first and second clip you can go click on the transition box, and for the first one in here I'm going to use this neon scuffing transition, this one in here. So click on it and apply it to the first two clips. Use this as an extern, apply it to the clip just like this, and for the next I'm going to use the Scribble transition, this one. Now go back, and here you can just add the color grading. So I'm going to use two filters. The first one, here you can go to filters, and here I'm going to use the green lake filter. So search for green lake filter in here, this one. You can adjust the intensity to how you like it. So for example, I'm going to just go with 40. Don't forget to adjust the length to match with the video duration. And now go back and add another filter. For the second one, I'm going to add the fresh lime filter, this one. Again, adjust the duration, the intensity to how you like it. So I'm going to go with 30. Hit on a check icon, and now adjust the duration. Okay, so now you can just preview the result by playing the video, and here. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.